All right, everybody, we're going to talk about rugged radios. We're going to do some specials on rugged radios for the month of June. So I wanted to get some content out for you guys to listen to and decide what you like and pick up some products. We're going to talk a lot about the R1 today. This is one of our best-selling products, partially because it is very versatile. It does a lot of stuff. It's at a great price point, and it's a great product to have in the trailer, in the RZR, in the quad. Have it anywhere. You got to be able to communicate. A couple cool features about the R1 is it's digital and analog. So it'll listen to all old radios that your buddies might have, the new radios, the new M1s, other R1s. It'll communicate with pretty much any radio out there, which is awesome because that's obviously what it's for. You want to be able to talk to as many people as possible. It'll also monitor 2 channels at once. So if you're with 2 different groups, you can listen to 2 channels and you can see what's going on or hear what's going on for both groups. It has a digital display on it. And one of the cool features about the digital display, which I just learned today as I was researching this, is you can actually text message from it. So you can put pre-built text messages in there, and you can text message to everybody on that digital channel, and it'll tell them that you're stopping for a break or you're looking for a tire change or something like that. You can put those messages in there and you can send it to everybody on the group, which is, I think it's really cool option. Also has some safety features. It has a flashlight right here on top, which is cool. In case you need it in the middle of the night, it's always there for you. It's rechargeable via USB, which is awesome because everybody has USB in your RZRs now. You can always charge it up. Has a lot of accessories, which is one of the cool parts. So it's their standard 2-pin in the side here. So you can use different microphones that Rugged sells, different headphones that Rugged sells. We have all that stuff on our website, lots of different options for it. You can check those out when you're checking out the radios. We also carry things like the 6-pack charger. So if you're the group that has one of these in your toy hauler and everybody in the family has an R1, every night you throw it on the charger. That way the next day you're good to go. Different headsets. Has a little rubber ducky antenna that's an option to get you 30% more range. So a lot of cool options for these little radios. They're a great deal this month, so make sure you pick one up and check out the other Rugged stuff we have on sale in the meantime.